Hello all. Today we're going to be working on a 2013 Kia Optima. This is the SLX or the SXL turbo model. We're replacing the rear brake pads. Okay, I found that this has a thing called an electronic parking brake. The electronic parking brake makes it almost impossible to close, should I say compress the caliper cylinder so that you can't put the new pads in. I did some research, and according to Kia, you have to use the computer to retract the electronic parking brake prior to compressing the rear cylinder. We were not going to do that, so I did some research, took some stuff apart, and this is what my solution to the problem was. The first thing we want to do is get all our tools together. We're going to jack up the car, do a similar standard brake pad techniques until we get to the electronic parking brake, and then we'll go over that. We'll assume that most of you know how to do regular brakes, and we will skip to the good parts. Alright, to save time, I've taken apart most of this stuff. Here's your electronic parking brake. You notice there's two Allen screws on the back. The first thing you need to do is remove those. Okay, the electronic parking brake is now removed from my brake caliper. And you'll see this piece, which is the rod that pushes down against the back of the, whatever pushes the caliper in. Okay, what you need to do is you need to twist this piece so that you can retract the screw. I did this by sticking a flathead socket in there, like a screwdriver, and spun it out. Okay, once you do that, you can reverse pushing the caliper with the clamp. Once we get this in place, all the way backed out, the caliper will compress. Okay, with the screw all the way out, okay, we take our brake caliper compression tool, put it in, and we start cranking it down. And we notice that the cylinder is compression. It's all the way down. And that's it, boys and girls. We're done. No more dealer for you, buddy. And we just take our electronic brake mechanism and we just screw it right to the back of the caliper, lining up the hole in the shaft.